Winter storm watches posted for most of the state ahead of alert weather arriving tomorrow and continuing into the day on Thursday. We are looking at the potential of heavy rain as well as wet snow and gusty winds and possibility of some coastal flooding as well at the time of high tide Thursday morning. So here's a look at it all. Again, winter storm watches posted. This is where the best potential is for 6+ inches of snow by definition of the National Weather Service. Those will either be upgraded to warnings later this afternoon or tonight, or going down to advisories. For today, any sort of sunshine giving way to clouds. Temps today will be in the 40s to a few lower 50s. Today is the day to prepare for that system moving in tomorrow, starting as a mix or rain and eventually going to all snow Wednesday night and into Thursday with temperatures in the 30s. This is going to be a heavy, wet snow, so there will be the chance of some scattered outages because of that. Also, some slower, messy travel later Wednesday and into both commutes Thursday before wrapping up Thursday night, and some lingering shower activity into Friday. Travel impacts will be highest Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, and into Thursday. Lesser version of this with some lingering lighter showers into Friday. Weekend looking much quieter as it stands. A lot of moisture with this system. The potential is there for 1 to 2 inches of actual liquid, while at the same time we will have the potential of over a foot of heavy wet snow in areas. Out ahead of that, it's not going to feel like it today. Mid-40s at the coastline with the sea breeze, upper 40s to lower 50s in inland sections. And here is a look at the clouds that will continue to thicken as we go forward. You will notice later tonight there is a chance of a shower, but really kind of disjointed from the actual system itself, which really starts to get in here during the morning hours on Wednesday. Starting as a mix or rain in southern parts of the state and likely continuing that way into the afternoon, while up north, this is all snow lifting northward and will be around for the evening commute and then turning heavier as we go later into Wednesday night and into the day on Thursday. Even in southern areas where we start as a mix or rain, we go over to snow Wednesday night and early Thursday, and that's where we stay as the system continues to pick up and make its closest pass Thursday afternoon. That system does start to pull away Thursday night, but there will be lingering lighter rain and snow shower activity with minimal additional accumulation on Friday, and that system pulls away for the weekend. As I mentioned, a lot of liquid out of this system. Another 1 to 2 inches of rain. Rivers and streams are going to respond to all of this. We'll also have the potential for a couple of gusts over 35 to 40 miles an hour. Highest gusts will be at the coastline, but as you will notice in some northwestern sections of the state, there will also be the chance of gusty winds Wednesday night and into Thursday. The higher winds will abate as we go into the day on Friday, but still a few gusts over 20 miles an hour. Coastal concern, high tide Thursday morning just before 8 a.m. The potential for some minor beach erosion and moderate flooding at the coastline. You can see that is the only high tide of concern at the present time, where we are expected to go over 11 feet, which is about 1.5 feet above a normal average. Mid-40s to lower 50s, any sunshine to clouds today. 30s tonight, relatively dry, clouds thickening. And then tomorrow, the precipitation moving in. Southern areas is an initial mix. Central areas during the afternoon and up north, all as snow. And where it is mostly snow out of this system, the potential is there for over a foot of heavy wet snow. And again, outages will be a possibility not only because of the wind, because of this wet snow with temperatures in the 30s as it falls. There's your 7-day forecast, which has much quieter weather heading into the weekend, including Eclipse Day Monday.